In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cartoon effect in Premiere Pro using a simple two-layer setup that gives you bold colors and clean outlines. This is a great technique if you want to stylize footage for social media, intros, music videos, edits, or just give your clips a fun animated look without needing extra plugins. And if you enjoy easy Premiere Pro tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful editing tips. Alright, let's jump into Premiere Pro and get started. The first thing you need to do is duplicate your clip on the timeline. This is the foundation of the effect because we're going to treat the top clip and the bottom clip differently. To do that, select your clip, then hold Alt and drag it upward to create a copy directly above the original. Now you should have two identical clips stacked on top of each other. Here's the simple breakdown. The top clip will be used for the outlines, and the bottom clip will be used for the cartoon-style color. That separation is what makes the final effect work so well. Now let's start with the top clip, which will create the outlines. Click on the top layer, then go to your Effects panel and apply the Fine Edges effect. This effect detects contrast in the image and turns it into edge lines, which is exactly what we want for the cartoon look. Once Fine Edges is applied, head over to Effect Controls. Depending on the footage, you may want to enable Invert. This is optional, but it can help make the outlines look cleaner and more visible. If the effect looks too harsh or too noisy, don't worry, because we can soften it next. Add a Gaussian blur effect to the same top clip and keep the blur amount very low, around 1 to 3. The goal here is not to blur the image heavily, but just to soften the harsh lines a little bit so they feel more natural and less jagged. If your footage is detailed, a tiny amount of blur can make a big difference. Next, we need to blend the outlines properly. With the top clip still selected, go to Effect Controls, then find Opacity, and under Blend Mode, choose Multiply. This step is optional, so it's worth testing it against your footage to see what looks best. In many cases, Multiply helps the black outline stay visible, while the rest of the background becomes more transparent and integrated with the layer underneath. If Multiply gives you the look you want, keep it. If not, try other blending options and compare the results. Cartoon styles can vary depending on the clip, the lighting, and how much contrast your footage already has. Now let's work on the bottom clip, which will handle the cartoon colors. Click on the bottom layer and apply Posterize. This effect reduces the number of color levels in the image and gives your footage a more simplified, stylized appearance. For the level setting, try somewhere between 6 and 10. Lower numbers create a more animated, blocky look, while higher numbers keep a little more detail. After Posterize, add Lumetri Color to the bottom clip. This is where you can really push the cartoon feel. Start by increasing the contrast. Stronger contrast helps separate shadows and highlights, which makes the image pop more like an illustration. Then increase the saturation, usually somewhere around 120 to 140 depending on the footage. More saturation gives the colors that bold, lively, cartoon-like energy. You can also slightly reduce the shadows if needed, so the darker areas don't get too heavy or muddy. At this point, you should start seeing the full effect come together. The top layer gives you the outlines, and the bottom layer gives you simplified, bold colors. Together, they create a cartoon-style result right inside Premiere Pro, without needing complicated animation or expensive plugins. If the effect looks too strong, go back and fine-tune the settings. For example, adjust the blur amount, change the posterize levels, or reduce the saturation a little. If the outlines are too busy, try different footage or lower the contrast slightly. The best results usually come from testing a few small adjustments until the style matches your shot. This effect works especially well on clips with clear subjects, decent lighting, and strong edges. People, objects, and scenes with clean contrast usually give the most noticeable cartoon look. If your footage is very dark or very flat, you may need to boost the contrast before applying the effect. And that's it. You now know how to create a cartoon effect in Premiere Pro using a duplicate clip setup, Find Edges, Gaussian Blur, Posterize, and Lumetri Color. It's a fast, creative way to transform normal video into something more stylized and eye-catching. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Premiere Pro editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.